So here's an example how the EU single market works. So for each one of these rounds, it's a different time, okay? So let's just do this one at a time. So let's look at round one. This is before the EU single market. We're buying electricity. Each one of these numbers represents a country, just a random country in Europe. So each country sells electricity at a different price. Country number one, $90 a month, or whatever currency they're using before the EU. Country two, 50. Country three, 300. So this is an expensive one to live in. Country four, 80. So if you look at these four countries, which one is the cheapest? Well, it's country two. This is the one you're going to want to live in. So now the EU is created. Here we are. And the single market is also created. This means that now, if you are in the EU and a part of the single market, which every EU country is, you can buy from other countries now. So, now that we're in round two, and all of these countries can buy from each other now, with one exception. Country three is not an EU member. So if you live in country one, you can now choose which country you're going to buy your products from. Like country two, no one in their right mind in country one will buy from country one. They're going to buy from country two because it's a lot cheaper. Country three, the people that live in country three, because they are not in the EU, still have to pay $300 a month. 1, 2, and 4, they're in the EU, they get to buy from country 2. Country 3, who is not in the EU, is stuck paying their own people $300 a month. Let's look at the final round. So after a while, after a few months, this routine goes on. Look what happens. Because of the single market, all the countries now have the lowest possible price that they're willing to charge people for. Except country 3, who is still price gouging because they know that their people still have to buy from them. Their people cannot buy from EU countries because they're not in the EU. They don't get to take advantage of the single market benefits. These 3 electric companies, they have to compete with the cheapest EU country. They know that their people can choose which country to buy from. So the EU brought the cost of living down dramatically. This is called the single market economy, and it is the most beneficial and the most important part of being in the EU. It saves people lots of money. It keeps businesses competitive. I'll prove it to you in this example of airfare right now.